Well, Eco370, welcome to week 4. Yay, week 4, you are surviving. All right, so this week you have another summative assessment. Now, as before, the week functions the same way. You've got your main response to your discussions due on Thursday, the 2 replies by Monday to either me or your fellow classmates, and then you've got technical text quiz plus the regular review quizzes. Both of those, again, low stress, just learn the material. That's what we want. Okay, now this week's summative assessment. This is a lot of fun too. So the idea is to put yourself in the mindset of a environmental consultant, which is somebody that which is a position that you may very well end up holding. Okay, and we're going to be looking through the economic lens at fines. Okay, so remember to always on these assignments couch things environmentally. I know by this time you know the environmental concepts. I need you to know the economic concepts. Let me rephrase that. You've got to be writing this from an economic lens, not just an environmental lens. Okay, put it that way. So you're going to be looking at a series of companies and the fines and how they got in trouble. Like, what are the rules and acts that got them these fines, or policies or regulations. Okay, so you're going to go to an EPA website. That was that first link. Then follow the directions clearly on the second link. Okay, it is a downloadable page that essentially will act as your notes, and it acts as a guide: what to click, where to press, how to navigate the EPA website. Okay, you've got to do that. Just follow those directions. All right, then what you're going to be writing is a memo. Memos are not just one gigantic block of text. Okay, memos are an important concept for you to learn. It's not a really long paper, not a research paper, though you are in this case supposed to be using in-text citations, so you better be using in-text citations. Okay, I don't care if you use APA, but it has to be an in-text citation. All right, you have multiple points as the instructions have been edited to say. Each of those points is a subsection within your memo. Okay, so you've got to make sure that your memo addresses those subsections clearly. And a subsection does not mean that it's one giant paragraph underneath that subsection heading. Okay, there can be multiple paragraphs, and I believe in the second point there probably should be, because you're going to be addressing different companies, and so each of those, probably the little summary, should be its own paragraph. 2 sentences, 2-3 sentences on that paragraph. Okay, so clearly divide out your memo. Okay, then use references. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions. This is a lot of fun. This is actually really important, because this gives you a appreciation of, when we think environmentally, how do the companies get away with these fines? Aren't they supposed to be fined? Well, yes, they are. Are the fines heavy enough to prevent, or are they punitive enough to be preventive of a behavior? That's questionable. Okay, so anyways, let me know if you have any questions. Keep up the good work. Okay, cheers.